My name is Choi, and I'm a poet and translator. I really didn't think about Korean and the US history are intertwined until I began translating. I eventually realized how my own life was deeply shaped and impacted by the US imperial wars in Asia. I started to think that translation was a political act. Even though I am writing about historical events that took place in South Korea, I am actually also trying to understand my life in relation to what took place. I like the fact that I have pushed myself to push the boundaries of poetry by incorporating images and photographs and drawings, prose, interviews. I don't stay static, but I'm always challenging myself to push the way I write and challenge the notion of what poetry is, or what poetry looks like, or what poetry can be.